Best places to start a business, and why location is everything. 1. A car wash center in front of a shopping mall. Shopping malls attract a constant flow of people who often spend hours inside. This creates a perfect opportunity for a car wash business. While customers are busy shopping, eating, or watching movies, they can conveniently have their cars cleaned. It saves them time and adds value to their visit, making your service both practical and highly appealing. 2. An egg shop in front of a gym. Gym goers are usually very conscious about their health and diet, especially protein intake. Eggs are one of the most affordable and accessible sources of high-quality protein. Placing an egg shop right outside a gym targets customers immediately after their workouts, when they're most likely looking for a quick, nutritious snack or meal. 3. A toy shop in front of a children's hospital. Hospitals can be stressful environments, especially for children. A toy shop nearby offers comfort, distraction, and even joy during difficult times. Parents often want to cheer up their kids or reward them for being brave, making toys an emotional and practical purchase in this setting. 4. A barber shop in front of a car wash center. This setup creates a smart convenience loop. Customers dropping off their cars for cleaning often have idle time to spare. A barber shop nearby allows them to use that waiting time productively by getting a haircut or grooming service. It's an efficient use of time and increases the likelihood of spontaneous customers. 5. A lunch meal food cart in front of a corporate office. Corporate employees are often busy and have limited time for lunch breaks. A food cart offering quick, affordable, and tasty meals right outside the office becomes an easy and attractive option. Convenience, speed, and proximity are key factors that drive repeat customers in such environments. The core idea: success in business isn't just about what you sell, it's about where and when you sell it. The best businesses solve immediate needs at the exact place and moment those needs arise. If you're not following this principle, you're missing a powerful advantage because the right location can do half the work for you.